we're going to see a big, huge jointer and planer in Ottawa. They're both made by General. The old big cast iron made in Quebec ones. So a 12-inch jointer and a 20-inch planer. So the biggest problem with all of this is that we have a basement shop, and luckily it's a straight shot into the basement. I really like that these machines, we can just take them apart and bring them downstairs and then put the beds back on, and that'll be that. Wow, what an awesome design. You got it?
Yep.
So sick.
Yeah.
Okay. My God, that's so heavy.
Right.
Yeah. Pretty light actually for a 3 horsepower motor. The planer completely, jointer completely torn down in 1 hour. And taking the tables off, we didn't have to mess with the adjustments. So we should be able to bolt them right back on, and everything should be coplanar.
So maybe I'm jinxing it now, but it's gonna be good.
The joiner came apart like beautifully.
Oh, smooth, yeah.
Yeah.
It was great, other than finding the dead stuff in it.
Yeah.
Not really. But.
Not really. Remnants of squirrels.
Yeah, exactly. Cool. Yeah, walnuts, acorns.
Yeah.
Nice. Wonder what we'll find today.
Oh my God, so close.
Oh,
So I think that means this roller will come out. Yep.
curls.
Right, belts are off.
Don't let it win. You okay?
More dramatic success. It's an alignment pin.
You're right. It is. I can see it.
This cap just comes off now. Okay. Did it go?
I think so, yeah. Nice. No, I'm not seeing it move yet. Yep, there we go.
Oh, that is on there.
It's like the champagne cork. Like you say, it's probably next to impossible to happen. Nice. So we just tappa.
There, that's not going anywhere. Neither. That's beautiful.
Oh, shiny.
Down because of the backlash.
I'm confident this is going to work.
Stand back in case there's some flying carbide.
That's right.
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.
I can't not make a sound. Nice. So you can do that.
Yep. There. That's good.
Good.
You gotta get it up so I can get my finger. Okay, good.
Someone order a feed roller?
Bring it down. Okay, it's good. Yeah.
It looks so cool just spinning, eh?
It does. I want to hook up the motor to it. Yeah, I'm good. All right, I think we're gonna get it running today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think the only way to really know is to put on our safety specs and fire it up.
Nice.
Ta-da!
Nice.
There. There we go. All right, so on the main drive pulley here, our flat belt is slack, so it's just slipping. And then with the pedal that's just out of frame, I can release it, and that will add tension and start moving the feed mechanism. So get them so they're just ever so slightly poking up. Then we know we have the feed roll in the right place, right? And when you screw this in, you're actually pulling the pressure bar up a bit to adjust it. Oh yeah, no, that's definitely harder than it should be ideally. If we do have one of those bottom blocks turned a half, it would skew it a bit, which would make it a lot
Right.
harder.
That's
So
true.
let's check that.
Seems a
Feeling
lot better.
good, yeah. It
Yeah.
just needs to be worked in. And there's almost no play, but there's a little. Okay.
It's quite out.
Put a little dab of glue on our spring to hold it in place while we put the cap in. Oh, it's not even sticking.
Oh no.
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 That's such a good idea.
Is it going down?
Yep. Yep. All right, ready?
All right.
Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3.
It's all working.
Nice. Leave it. Stay.